fuel injector cleaning on my 4X4 2004 using the pressurized canister and a cleaning fluid. Already done the installation here. I'm using my second homemade compressor, using a compressor discarded from a refrigerator. And here is my canister set at 30 psi. This also I made from a discarded grease injector, and the hose is clamped to the injector rail using a hose clamp. And the fuel supply line coming from the pump is connected back to the tank using a makeshift line. You can see it's running back to the tank. Sometimes I do this when I cannot find the proper fuse, or I'm afraid of doing something wrong, I'm messing up with the fuses or the pump, or when I just feel lazy about finding the pump. So this also works. And this is the stuff I'm using. This is the cleaning fluid. It has highly concentrated cleaning agents that will help remove all the debris and clogging of the fuel injectors. And here is the canister. The valve is open, so the engine is running with this liquid that will supposedly help me gain some performance on the engine. So I'm just adjusting the 30 bar between 20 and between 20 and 30 psi. This is me, so you guys, so I can prove to you guys that I'm the one who's making all this crazy videos about hacking stuff and do it yourself. Sometimes my neighbors are staring at me, like my neighbor across the street, they're staring at me saying, what the hell is that guy doing? I do all this kind of weird stuff. This is my compressor, my second compressor. This is a canister I built from a discarded grease injector, and in the meantime I also connected my scanner tool to the OBD port. So I'm logging data. I'm looking at right here. I'm looking at the fuel trim values, the first bank and second bank, and comparing them with the engine running with 87 octane gasoline to see if there's any difference. It seems to be a little different, but I'm not really sure if there's any improvement until I take the truck for a ride. And here the temperatures. So I'm in the meantime I'm just looking at the values, see if I see anything increasing, like the manifold absolute pressure values and all that. Just looking around, all the values coming from the engine, temperatures and everything. Had this truck for 2 months since. I've replaced the alternator belt. I repaired the clutch master cylinder. It was not bleeded properly. And I also repaired the fan, took off the air conditioning system because I really think it's a waste of efficiency having that thing around, and I removed the thermostat. I don't like those things here in Mexico, they're not necessarily. And this is a screenshot of their fuel trim values. And now I set back everything. I connected the fuel line back into the fuel injector rail. Machine is running with normal circuit of the normal fuel line. Still nothing's really noticeable, but I have to take it for a ride, see if there's any performance increase. And well, thank you folks for watching.